Are you a student baker, or you live in a student environment and you're looking for businesses that you can start with little capital and make money? Then stick to the end of this video because I'll be sharing with you businesses that you can start. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Esther Ozioma Sanami, and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Event. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. Number one business that I will be sharing with you today is mixed fruit. So this is basically different kinds of fruits that you buy, you chop them into small pieces and then you put them together and sell. This is not very common in some location. In most cases, when you want to go and buy fruits, it is either you buy pineapple that is already cut, or you buy watermelon if you are not buying the whole. But getting a takeaway plate that comprises of pineapple, watermelon, banana, cucumber, it's not very common. So if you decide to go into this, then it will be a very good idea for you and you would make lots of money from it, especially as you're in the school environment. There are lots of students that do not even have time to go and source for buying pineapple or watermelon or whatever. If they can get somebody that can supply them or give them and they just pay, then they will gladly do it and you would also make your money. The next business idea I have here is popcorn. This popcorn business is very lucrative and it requires very little capital. Majorly what you need if you are going into it for commercial purpose is your popping corn, vegetable oil or margarine, your sugar, and of course your packaging nylon. So it does not cost much. You can go into your local market to find out where you can get popping corn. When I started popcorn business, I was buying popping corn from the supermarket and I discovered that I wasn't making as much profits as I wanted because I was buying the popping corn very expensive, until I later discovered that around the place where I was buying the popping corn there was somebody else that was also selling the same popping corn that I was buying, but he was selling it in bags and I could buy in quantity that I wanted. And then I started patronizing that person and then it was a lot easier for me to make my profits rather than buying the sealed one and I was losing out money. So if this is what you want to go into, it is a very good business idea that you can start and you can make money. You can make the popcorn from the comfort of your home with just your pot and gas cooker if you don't have the electric machine. So it is not something very difficult to make. Number 3 on my list is cupcakes. Yes, cupcake business is a very lucrative business when you have the right recipe and then you market it very well. You can start cupcake with very little capital and make your money. A cupcake is quite handy, unlike somebody coming to you to bake a big cake and you're giving them price and they're complaining that, oh, it's too expensive, I don't have so much of that money. With cupcake you can sell it for as low as 500 naira, for as low as 200, 300, depending on how you buy your ingredients from your location and depending on how you price it. Cupcake business is another one that you can go into. In the description box below there's a link there to a sweet commercial cupcake class. You can check that out and I'll be glad to hold you and walk you through how to start a commercial cupcake business with very little capital. Number 4 on my list is cake parfait. Cake parfait, yeah, this is the mixture of crumb cakes and whipped cream. So this is what cake parfait look like and it is very lucrative. All you need is the good recipe for your cake, then your whipped cream, and then your packaging cup and plate or plates. All right, so it does not require much capital just to bake your cake and then make your whipped cream and then you toss it together, and then you just put them together. So, and if you're able to market this very well, you're able to, advertise this on your WhatsApp status or your social media platform, then you would make a lot of money. And when people begin to know you that you do all of these things, they'll begin to patronize you and even contact you for their, small get together and then what have you. Cake Parfait, it's another business that you can start. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and I will answer. The next one on my list is Indomie and Egg. We all know that students rush off to the lecture room most times in the morning and there's nothing for them to eat. You can even go ahead and spice it up by adding diced plantains, carrots, cucumber and the likes. If you make them and advertise them, you'll discover that people begin to make inquiry and place their orders. Alright, so that's another business that you can start, and it requires very little capital. Another one you can start is Puff. Puff is a very lucrative business as well. Puff too, it's something that people would always want to eat. It is not so big, so it's something that people can quickly buy. And another business idea you can start is street box. That is just a combination of 2 or 3 different snacks, putting a price on it and then selling it. Like you could have one donut, one meat pie and one egg roll, and then fruit juice on the side, and put a price tag and sell. People would buy it. Students will buy it, and you would discover that some persons that have parties, picnics, celebrations, they would end up ordering them from you and pay you, and you deliver to them. And so these are the business ideas that I will share with you today. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section and I'll be answering them. If you also have a topic you want me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section. And then if there's any video you want me to work on, if there's any business idea you want me to share, please feel free to drop it in the comment section so that I will work on it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. This means a lot to me. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.